cheese. Spread it, slice it, cook it. Worldwide, we eat over 20 billion kilos every year and produce almost 2,000 different varieties. In India, the world's largest milk producer, they have a special cheese that's more fondant than fondue because it doesn't melt when you cook it. Paneer. The first record of a cheese resembling paneer appears almost 2,000 years ago. Introduced to North India by Afghan and Persian invaders in the 16th century, it soon spread across the subcontinent. Quick and easy to make, with a mild, creamy flavor, it's the perfect addition to both spicy and sweet dishes. Today, nearly a third of all the cheese produced in India is paneer. With more vegetarians in India than the rest of the world combined, paneer is a major source of protein for hundreds of millions of people. In Amritsar, northwest India, it's a busy Friday night at the 100-year-old Kisa Da Dhaba restaurant. But here, there's no meat on the menu at all. There is, however, paneer. For owner Ramesh Mehra, it's at the heart of Indian culture.
Paneer is the most important dish in Indian recipes, especially for the persons who are vegetarians. The very first thing they order is the paneer, India's most famous dish.
Gorinda Dairy, founded in 1960 and now run by Sam Arora, produces 100 tons of paneer a year. That requires over 500,000 litres of cow's milk.
जैसे कि सर हमने पहले आपको बताया कि हमने इसमें दूध कलेक्ट किया.
Without refrigeration, the milk would soon spoil. So it's moved to a holding tank. As the milk travels, cold salt water at close to freezing point is pumped round the outside of the pipes, dropping the temperature of the milk as it fills up the tank. But this is still raw milk. It could contain harmful bacteria. Thanks to Louis Pasteur's discovery, we now know that heating it briefly to over 70 degrees Celsius will kill off any dangerous microorganisms.
इसके आगे अंदर इसके पैस्चराइजर प्रोसेस में जाएगा, वो है 75 degrees.
Heating serves another purpose, as the milk needs to be warm to be turned into paneer. To make most cheeses, lactic acid bacteria and an enzyme called rennet are added to curdle the milk. But to make paneer, this 1% citric acid solution is used. If you fancy making it at home, try using lemon juice.
उसमें डालते रहेंगे, वो धीरे-धीरे उसको थोड़ा सा हिलाता रहेगा.
In just a few minutes of stirring, the citric acid causes most of the milk protein and fats to bind together, forming solid curds. Now the excess liquid whey, containing the water-soluble lactose, needs to be drained off, so a cheesecloth gathers the curds. It takes almost 5 litres of milk to produce 1 kilogram of cheese. And because so much of the lactose is removed, most people with lactose intolerance can eat it. To be firm enough to cut, the curds need shaping and squeezing. Placed in a square mould, 20-kilo weights compress the curds for 30 minutes, squeezing out any remaining whey. An ice-cold dip for 2 hours finalizes the shape and texture. Paneer doesn't need to be aged, so it's now ready for the dining tables of India.